Hi boys and girls. Okay, we painted our paper. We created our heart using the positive and then the negative space as well to create our heart. So now today we're going to add the finishing touches with construction paper crayons. Okay, so you should have either a basket of these or maybe if yours are mixed in with the other crayons, you're just going to look for the black labels, and they actually say construction paper crayons on them. Okay, so that's what you'll look for if for some reason yours are mixed in with the other crayons. Okay, they've got a black label. That's how you can kind of identify them. All right, so what we're going to do is create lots of repeated patterns. So you could repeat hearts, you could repeat dots, you could do wavy lines, dashed lines. So repeated patterns and line designs, okay? And you want to do that in the black space. So looking at this one that's not completed yet, you're going to start with the construction paper crayons and do as many designs as you can think of in here. And then after you're done with that, you'll need to show it to me. And if I think you've done a pretty good job of thinking it out and planning it out, I will give you a silver Sharpie to go and add a few extra details in there after you've done the construction paper crayons. Okay, so first things first, I do want to say that the lighter colors show up better. So obviously white and yellow, those are super light colors. The pink is pretty light. Let's see. But I was happily surprised on mine that you can see that even the purple still showed up on the black. The light green really showed up well on the black. There's a peachy kind of orange that's in there that shows up pretty good. Or maybe it was this one. I'm not sure which one I was using. Anyway, lots of fun. Go ahead and try all of them if you want to, or just pick a color scheme that you like. Maybe you just like these 4 colors and you just want to use them. I stayed with my same color scheme, which was purple, pink, peach, and green. I just did that throughout. I didn't use any other colors. You can see I did purple, green, pink, and peach there. But you can do whatever you think looks best. Also pay attention to the colors that you used in your watercolor. So I'm looking at this watercolor and I don't really see as much purple, but I definitely see pink and yellow. I think I would actually want to use green and blue on this one just because that's the colors I'm seeing here. Or maybe I want this bright pink too instead of this one. There. Yeah, that kind of fits my color scheme. So I'm going to use these. And remember, you're going to repeat patterns. You could do anything. You could do like little X's if you wanted to. You could do, I could make these stars if I wanted to instead of an X. But go ahead and repeat whatever it is. Follow that whole shape. I'm actually going to keep turning this because my X is getting a little wonky there. I'm just trying to do X's all the way around. And you could do like wavy lines all the way around and just to repeat that. Little squiggles would look kind of cool. And remember, you're sharing, so don't hoard all the crayons. Be sure you leave some for other people, okay? Let's see, I really like white. I wanted to show you guys what white looks like. So I could, oops. I might do a scalloped line, which is just doing a curved line over and over. That always looks kind of lacy. Okay. Now, I'm not going to have you watch me do mine, but I wanted to give you a few ideas of things you can do. And you know from past experiences with line design that there's lots of different lines that you can do. You can do X's, or I'm sorry, you can do zigzags, right? Or loopy lines is a good one. There's also like the castle line. You guys remember that one? That's kind of like a little, it's like a lot of little straight, square, boxy spaces. Like, looks like the top of a castle. Lots of different lines. Actually, I'm going to go get an example sheet for you to show you. Okay, I'm back, and I found these. I'll probably put something out for you to look at, but I was looking at this one. Here's some of the examples. I think if you remember, when we made rockets, we used lots of different lines for that. You could do lots of spirals, twirly, swirly lines, loopy lines, wavy lines, big waves or tiny waves, right? This is the castle line that I was talking about, where it's like a lot of square, boxy lines. You can even do like that kind of a line. Some diagonal lines, just little straight lines or dashed lines, dotted lines. All of those will be really cool to add into here for your designs. Okay? All right, so have tons of fun. Can't wait to see how they turn out.